meet our company.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes, today I will make a short introduction of our company for you.
Okay. Now please tell me more about your company.
Yes, let me go.
Okay, Daniel, I will share more information of our company for you. You will see our company established in 2007. We have the 30 years experience in relay industry. You can see from the 2019. We have 20 production lines to produce our relays and the solenoid valves. Here, you can see our company control. We want to be a good supplier of quality components in the global markets. And we are a manufacturer and the exporter of PCB relays, automotive relays, and the solenoid valves. And here you can see we obtained many honors, and our company usually go to charity activities. Next, I will show you our main customers. You know, higher and media is so famous in China, and we provide PCB relays for them. PCB relays widely used in home appliances such as the rice cooker, refrigerator, air conditioner, water heater, and so on. Heller's headquarters in Germany. They have many subsidiaries around the world, and we provide the automotive relays to them. They let us print their logos in our relays. Automotive relays are widely used in the car, such as the car control box, car lights, car window, car on. You also can see we have other clients such as the Toshiba in Thailand. We provide the PCB relays of NPR with the 5 amps to them. Also, you can see we provide the watt valves to support. You can see our automated production lines in this video. I will show you our workshop to you later. Now, let's go to our meeting room.
Daniel, you can see our hot popular relays in more detail. I will show you the automotive relays of the MH with the 60 amps, and I will want to show you our hot popular PCB relays with the NPA.
Okay.
You can see our NPA have many certificates of the UL, TUV, CQC. And you can see our catalog.
So Angela, I've got a question here. If I want to print my logo on your relay, can you do that?
Yes, we can print your logo in our relays.
And would there be any MOQ for that?
Yes, such as the automotive relays of the MH, our MOQ need 5,000 pieces.
And what for the MPA relay?
MPA our MOQ need 10,000 pieces.
Okay.
Because the size is so small.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you are interested in our other relays, you can take some samples to your company to test our relays.
Okay.
And the next station, I will show you our witness laboratory of the TUV or CNAS.
Okay, let's go and have a look.
Yes. Daniel, I will show you our witness laboratory of the UL, CNAS, and TUV. Okay, let's go our laboratory center. You can see our equipment in here.
Okay, I see you've got lots of equipment here, and that should be the high and low temperature impact test chamber, right?
Yes.
That should test the relays on the working condition under high and low temperature. That's great.
Yes. And according to different environmental, we will use the different equipment to test them.
Okay.
In the next station, I will show you our production lines. Okay, let's go. Daniel, let me go to the production line. When we go to the workshop, we need the welder dusty-free clothing and shoes.
Here is our workshop. You can see we use the automated production lines to produce our relays. Okay, that's all is my introduction of our company for you.